Hello friends, I hope you're quite well, and today I have Monoline's logo templates bundle. These files in EPS expanded and AI raw lines. Here is PNG. You see, and just you can drag and rename it, depend your choice, and you can edit in Adobe Illustrator. So I drag this. Okay, you see here mini boat, dark beer triangle, and mountain, movie, home logo, the wheel, space egg. Sorry for texting. 1 minute, wait. Okay, and you write your own logo or sorry own text here. For example, you can change it change this color. Red. Sorry, these are background selected, and no. Select pink, and logo color is pink, and select this color is yellow. So your choice, you can edit it, or you can write your own text here. Mountain, camp, and beauty folks, circles, green shark, balance. So depend your own choice, you can edit it. I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care, love.